Good morning, children. Today's date is 4th of February. The year is 2021. Today's day is Thursday. In our numeracy class, today we are going to learn a new concept. Yes, we are going to learn the terms that we use when we compare weight of an object. Yes, so we have learned the terms that we use to compare size of an object. Yes, tall and short. Yes, these are the terms that you use to compare size. Long and short. Yes, aren't these the terms that we use? Bigger, smaller. These are all the terms that you use to compare sizes of an object. So today we are going to learn the terms that we use when we are going to compare weight of an object. Okay, so what are the terms that we use? The term to compare weight. Yes, when we are describing a weight of an object, we will use the term heavy and light. Now first let's take heavy. So what is the meaning of heavy? We also sometimes use the word hefty. Yes, heavy means भारी. कोई चीज़ बहुत भारी होती है, उसमें बहुत वजन होता है, तो उसे हम कहते हैं heavy. किसी चीज़ की वजन बहुत भारी होती है, तो उसे हम कहते हैं heavy. Yeah, the term that you use in English is heavy. In Hindi it is called भारी. हम कहते हैं नहीं सामान बहुत भारी है. Yes, so in English we are going to say this object is very heavy. And opposite of heavy is light. Yes, when we have to describe something, some object's weight, yeah, and if it is बहुत कम भारी है वो, बहुत हल्का है, तो उसे हम कहते हैं light. Yes, this is not the light which comes out of tube light or the sun. No, it's another light. Okay, the spelling is the same, light, but the meaning of the word light here, when it comes to weight, it means less heavy. Yes, just like here we have some objects that I have kept. Yes, for heavy and light. तो हिंदी में light को क्या कहेंगे? हल्का. कोई चीज अगर हमने उठाया है और बहुत हल्का है तो हम क्या कहते हैं? मम्मा ये तो बहुत ही हल्का है, ये सामान बहुत हल्का है. That means it is light in weight. And when we say मम्मा ये सामान बहुत भारी है उठाने में, that means that object is very heavy to lift. Yeah. So the terms that you use to describe weight is heavy, उसका मतलब होता है भारी, and light, that means in Hindi halka. Okay, so let us have a look at few objects here that I have kept. Yes, which are heavy, and some of the objects are light. Now how do you know an object is heavy? कैसे पता चलता है कि एक object heavy है? You have to lift it. Yes, बस देख के हमें नहीं समझ में आएगा कि ये heavy है या नहीं. We have to lift it. Yes, so here I have 4 things. It is a glass jug. Yes, so when I am lifting a glass jug here, you see, it requires effort. थोड़ी मेहनत लग रही है उसे उठाने में. Yeah, to lift this glass jug, I require some effort. Yes, because the glass jug is heavy. Yes, then here I have a copper bell. Now this requires effort to lift. When anything, any object requires effort, मेहनत लगती है उसे उठाने में, तो उसे कहते हैं heavy. Then that object is heavy. Yeah, it might look small. It looks small, isn't it? But it is heavy. Yeah, because the weight of this object is more, and it is heavy. भारी है उठाने में. Now here I have a really thick book. Yes, so just looking at the book, you know that this is going to be heavy. Yeah, but let's lift it. this requires effort. See, this requires effort to lift. Ma'am, काफी ताकत लग रही है इसे उठाने में, just single-handedly, because this book is heavy. Yes, just by knowing looking just at the size of the book, you can know it is heavy. But you did not know, looking at the bell, that it is heavy. It looks small, but it is heavy. So that not necessarily depends on the size. If the size is big, it is going to be heavy. It's not like that. Not necessarily like that. Sometimes an object can be small, but the weight can be more. The weight can be heavy. And sometimes it can also be that the object is big and it is heavy as well. Okay, just like the book here. This requires effort to lift because the book is heavy. Now coming to the next one, this is a speaker, Bluetooth speaker. Again, this looks small, but this is heavy. Yes, it is requiring effort to lift. I require effort to lift it up because the speaker is heavy. Yes, so now coming to the light objects. Now what does it mean? Light. Light means halka. It does not require effort to lift. Just like a key. How is a key? Key उठाने में मेहनत लग रही है? No, because it is very light. The term that you will use to describe an object that is which doesn't require effort to lift is light. Yes, so the key here is light. I did not require any effort to lift it up. Then I have a tissue. Isn't it light? It looks big. It's big, yes, but it is very light. Yeah, I don't require any effort to lift it up. Then here I have a plastic bottle. There I had a glass jug which was really heavy to lift. And here I have a small plastic bottle. Yes, see, I can so easily just lift it up because it is light. Yes. Then I have cotton. Now, what do you feel? Is cotton heavy? I have a lot of cotton in my hand here. But the weight is very light. Yeah, it's very light and I can pick it up easily. Then here is a shuttlecock. If you play badminton, you know this. Yeah, this is a shuttlecock. And it's so light, just like a feather. Yeah, very light. It's not heavy. So here were few objects that I had lined up, which were heavy. And here were few objects that were light in weight. Yes. So today in numeracy, you have learned 2 new terms to describe weight of an object. One is heavy and the opposite of heavy is light. Yep. कोई चीज भारी होती है तो उसे आप क्या कहोगे? Heavy. और जो चीज हल्की होती है उसे क्या कहोगे आप? Light. So I want you to practice these terms using few objects around your house. Yeah, just describe it. If it is light, yes, you say this object, dash object, whatever you are holding. Maybe it's a shuttlecock. The shuttlecock is light in weight. And you can take a big luggage trolley and you can hold it and you can see if it is heavy or light. And then you can describe it that the luggage trolley is heavy in weight. Okay? So you can use these terms by holding a few objects around your house and compare, if it is heavy or light. Happy learning, children.